Hi, everyone. My name is Mrs. McGrane, and I want to give you a little information about one of our classes here at Liberty for next year. It's called Intro to Engineer Design, and I am going to be the instructor. So I want to give you a little bit of insight into how awesome this class is and what you'll be doing. So let's go ahead and get started with it. All right. So, topics of learning in this year are going to be four main units. We're going to have Unit 1, which is design and problem solving. Unit 2 is going to be assembly design, putting things together, and then also taking things apart when we do that. In this one, we are learning about different joints and fasteners and whatnot, how to put things together in computer aid design. Unit three is more like a thoughtful product design. When we do that, we're going to be talking about developing maybe different apps that promote empathy. We're going to look at a little prosthetics, things of that nature. And then Unit 4, we kind of wrap the year together up, and that is going to be all about making things move. And we're going to be going into the world of automation and making your own automaton. So that's what's going to be happening there. All right, so let's go ahead and look at a little bit of those. When we are talking about your basic engineer design, we this year so far have done something where we made some luggage charms, kind of going through the engineer process. That's all about Unit 1. What is it like to be an engineer? How do you work with people? Collaboration. It's all about the process of design through the lens of engineering. And so that's what we work with a lot. If you take this class, be ready to work with people because engineering is a total collaborative process. It's really important to get together. And when you are designing, you want to design something bigger than yourself or for bigger than yourself. You want to think about societal needs. Otherwise, no one's going to want your product, right? You have to think bigger than what is important to you in the world. And then when we are looking more into practicing that process, we made some water filters kind of fits into this idea in the world that we've got a real shortage of clean drinking water, and so we practiced the engineer process, and then we did some computer aid design promotion of different water filter ideas, and then we printed and we presented on that. We also went ahead and created a fictional app for promoting empathy. And we looked at anything towards, the kid in the back of the line that is waiting for lunch, right? And what happens when all of his favorite, Bosco sticks are gone by the time he gets there? Is there a way to do that? What about new students into the school at Liberty? Could we develop an app that would help them find their way to their classrooms? And so those are some of the things that the students came up with for this project. And then this is a example of an automaton. So this is something that you crank the wheel and you make it go on its own. That's what that is. All right. So how to be successful if you want to take this course, and I really want everybody to take this course. I think that we need really to invoke and get more STEM in our classrooms in general, and this is a fabulous way to do it if you are interested in STEM, in particular in engineer design. So how to be successful? When you get to come to my class, make sure that you're always taking ownership of your learning. We need those kinds of students in my class. We are always going to work in this class on creating a team with the teacher and your peers, right? Go to your peers first in my class because it is a collaborative. And then after you've exhausted that, then you come and ask me. So this class really works hard on trying to help you be responsible for going through your own learning and reaching out as you need help, but starting with yourself and then working with your classmates. And then last case, you come to me and I'll always be there to help you. Complete all your homeworks and projects. It's really important if you want to be successful at the high school level. You have to come with this attitude that you're responsible and take charge of your own learning. That means bringing all of your materials to class every time. We have an engineering notebook, and it's really important that you do that. And engage, right? Other than making up your work if you're absent, that's another requirement of this class. Engage in the class and all the school activities. I really want you to belong, not just in my classroom, but in this beautiful school and the in-school environment that we've created. I so look forward to seeing seeing you. I would love to share more with you. I'm in our lab right now. We've got a couple of beautiful 3D printers that I can't wait for you to learn how to use and be successful in my class. So please sign up for Intro to Engineering. I look forward, to sharing our growth together. Have a great one.